Hi, this is Judith Briles. Hey, have you thought about doing an Amazon bestseller campaign run? I actually coach authors on how to do it, and I never put I guarantee results, although we've never failed. That all the people that we've worked with have had not one, but mega categories where they have nailed number one on Amazon. If it's a brand new book, they typically nail number one new book release, which is kind of cool to have. That banner that goes across that you capture, screenshot, and you add it to your website, you add it to your book page, you shout it out to your social media. I'm a huge believer in the Amazon campaign where you give away the free ebook. Because years ago, I sat down with Jeff Bezos, and one of the things he told me is that when people buy ebooks, if they really like what they see, what they read, how it's going, they actually go buy the print book as well. And I've seen that happen. I have seen after we've run these Amazon campaigns, the domino factors is it follows up with audiobook as well as print book sales. So, should you? I think you should. I think it's a great way to start creating the buzz, and you do it over several days. And the buzz factor then, when it's over, I mean, you're going to only have it available free for a couple of days. It's over, and it's back to the regular price. But because the word is out there, reviews will start coming in. And by the way, you want to do an ask. If you're going to do, when I just recently did it for my new publication of how to avoid book publishing blunders, holy moly, we had in the month of August of 2022, we had over 17 number ones in categories in the United States, in Canada, in Australia, in Germany, in the United Kingdom. You have this domino factor. That's where buzz starts and going on. Now what you have to do is follow up with other items that keep your name, your book title, your expertise out there. That's the game, and it should be in your plan. I'm Judith Briles, the Book Shepherd. Do follow other YouTubes that I create. There's over 100 of them with more tips like this. To your success. We'll see you next time.